JC Cherry Incorporated is a global marketing supplier of connectors, Japanese-made connectors, and sockets for various semiconductors, with a focus on custom products. We can custom design sockets to fit your device and support small lot production. We have a lineup of various shapes such as probe pin type, conductive sheet type, and type that is pressed directly against the PC board. We offer sockets for BGA, FPGA, and LGA, sockets for high-frequency measurement, sockets for QFP, QFJ, and QFN, and image sensor sockets. We handle sockets suitable for power semiconductors such as TO packages and IPM and IGBT, as well as laser diode sockets suitable for narrow pitches and special pin arrangements. We supply sockets for power transistors, modular socket for IPM and IGBT, and laser diode sockets. Probe pins and round pin sockets that are also used in our test sockets and transistor sockets, since there are no scratches or unevenness and high electrical conductivity and durability are maintained. We offer high-temperature socket pins, spring probe pins, and connectors. In addition to standard products, custom specifications are also possible. We can also change to non-magnetic materials, change the shape, assemble cables, and customize according to the usage environment. These include non-magnetic RF coaxial, SMA, MMCX, BNC, and SHV. A louver is used for the contact part, and a uniform and stable contact can be obtained. It is used in applications that require high precision and reliability, such as dental equipment. We supply high current and high voltage connectors, high current module connectors, louver type socket pins, and magnet connectors. There are products that use ceramic, glass, epoxy, etc. as insulating materials. And we also offer flange terminals, thermocouple terminals, and current introduction terminals that can carry large currents. We supply ordinary round-type connectors, power feed-through connectors, thermocouple connectors, and glass hermetic connectors. We have a lineup of connectors and relay sockets that use round pin sockets that we handle as standard products. We also accept custom designs according to customer specifications. We offer relay sockets, battery connectors, and board-to-board probe connectors. Our experts will help you to build custom components and parts that exactly match your specific requirements. Contact us today.